and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the things that I picked out for our winners. I have my daughter helping me like in my last unboxing video, so she's going to be handing me things. So first, we have this Bernat baby blanket in the color, I think it's just sand. Okay, it's baby sand when it's in the baby blanket color. I've got two of these. Two of my winners are getting the blanket yarn, and my third winner is getting worsted weight. That was her preference. I gave people a choice. And two said they don't care, and then one specifically said worsted weight. So I figured for those who don't care, I would do blanket yarn. The next color is this Big Twist plush from Joann's in the color Chili Pepper. I was looking for my crimson Bernat blanket, but they were out of it. So this is a really nice dupe. It like works up exactly the same. In fact, some of my blanket yarn behind me is probably Big Twist plush because I just grouped it in with Bernat blanket. But this is actually typically a little cheaper if you have a Joann's local. We have Bernat baby blankets in the color Buttercup. Another one that is Big Twist plush is this color just called White. They were also out of Bernat in the color White, so I have this as a substitute. Bernat baby blanket in the color Licorice. And I think that is it for each color. What is that? That's 1, 2, are there 5 colors each? Each person got 5 skeins of yarn. And if you noticed, they were the colors that can be used for my mini mushroom tutorial, which I will link right here. And they're also colors that can be used for a plush bee, which there is a plush bee keychain tutorial coming at some point. So I figured the winners can use their yarn for both those tutorials if they wanted to, or, you know, make whatever. I think black, white, red, beige are pretty like general use colors. So for our worsted weight winner, I went with Lion Brand Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling. This is the color White. This is the color Red Heather. It's very soft. Oh, that's upside down. But it's very soft, nice worsted weight yarn. This is the color Black. The color Lemonade. I like this. It's almost exactly the same as the yellow color, the Baby Buttercup or whatever it was called. And this is the closest I could find to the baby sand color. It's a little more, I guess, orangey, but this is the color Clay in Lion Brand Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling. And then for a little extra treat, each of the winners are getting a crochet hook. The 2 winners that are getting the blanket yarn are getting the size hook that I always use with blanket yarn typically, and that is a 6.5 millimeter. And I picked out these Clover Amours. I really like them. Most of what I have over here is also Clover. I do use a couple other brands, but Clover is always definitely good. And then for my worsted weight winner, I have this 3.5 millimeter hook, which is typically what I use with worsted weight yarn when I'm doing amigurumi also. So I shopped with those in mind. So here are the 3 hooks. And then I decided, since coincidentally I have 3 winners, that I am in fact going to be giving away the turtles up there that I made for my collaboration video with the Regretful Yarn Addict channel. It just seemed fitting because that was like a YouTube related thing that I did. And I think they're super cute. So each person's going to get one of those. And then perhaps I will do like a crochet with me and we'll use that pattern again because I really like it. And maybe next time I'll make it in like a worsted weight color. Not color, but worsted weight yarn. But that is it for today's video. It was just a quick one because I wanted to show you guys what I got for the winners. And if you would like to be a winner next time, we're doing another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. We are, last I checked, at like 620 something subscribers. Let me look again. We are at 644 subscribers and 2,546 watch hours. So yes, like I said, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we're getting kind of close. like almost 2/3, but like not quite. We'll be doing another giveaway then. It'll be like the same kind of style of giveaway, only I was thinking because it is like bigger milestones that I would pick more winners. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, please do, and continue to watch these videos. I have some interesting ones coming up, like my tips for craft fairs, like I said, a couple of tutorials, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.